and it was dry for them, which is good because, I mean, storms, wind,
it's
nasty
going
stuff on the way.
Yes,
I think
this
so.
was the last really settled day of weather, and it's actually been pretty nice. Yes, there's been quite a lot of cloud around, but temperatures got to 20 degrees, not bad for the beginning of October. And some stunning autumn colours around, certainly looking nice there on the beach in Cromer. But the focus now is for Storm Amy, which is going to bring us some strong winds and some outbreaks of rain over the next 24 hours or so. We'll see some rain overnight tonight. We've already got 1 or 2 showers out there. Storm Amy, those strong winds, heavy rain, wind gusts could get to 50 miles an hour in places. Locally, they could even be higher, with a peak of those winds expected on Saturday morning. Now, the winds are freshening this evening, but it is largely dry, bar the odd shower. And then this is the band of rain. It'll arrive later tonight. For most of us, it'll be after midnight. Could be some intense bursts of rain along it as it tracks from west to east. It's going to bring mild air with it, so temperatures around 13 to 15 degrees overnight. And that rain could be quite slow to clear first thing tomorrow. So here's Storm Amy. This intense area of low pressure is going to bring the greatest impact across the northwest of the country. But for us here in the east, it is still going to be very windy, and we will see quite a bit of rain. So that rain clears on Friday morning, and then we'll have a drier slot of weather with a fair bit of cloud left behind. And then this is the next band of rain. All the time it's going to be accompanied by a freshening wind, and that wind will really ramp up into the afternoon. So temperatures, well, around 17 or 18 degrees, so not particularly chilly. And you can see from the average wind speeds that it's already very windy by about 4 o'clock, and it's really into the evening that we could record wind gusts of around 40 to 45 miles an hour. And here's that rain. It's becoming more showery from Friday afternoon and into the evening, but still the potential for some really heavy rain continuing into Friday night. And then it moves out of the way, but we've still got it close by to the north of the UK, and still some very strong winds. And really it's looking like Saturday morning, some showers around, but some really strong winds, 45 to 50 mile an hour gusts, and locally they could be higher in some places like the North Norfolk coast. So certainly those showers will move through fairly swiftly, and it's going to feel cooler on Saturday, 14 or 15 degrees. Still pretty windy on Sunday, with a generally dry day with some sunshine, and we keep breezy conditions into the start of next week. It's looking a little unsettled. Some mild nights following, some mild nights, and then some chillier nights following.
Thanks very much. Well, you've warned us.
Hello, Storm Amy is going to bring us some strong winds and outbreaks of rain over the next 24 hours or so. A band of rain will appear later tonight, some heavy bursts of rain as this weather front tracks from west to east. It's going to bring some mild air and also a lot of cloud, a freshening southerly wind. It will be a mild night. Here's Storm Amy. The main impact of this storm across the northwest of the UK, but we will still have some very strong winds here, particularly tomorrow afternoon and Saturday morning. So the rain clears at first, and then we'll see some drier weather, but a lot of cloud left behind, 1 or 2 showers pushing in, and the winds really start to ramp up into the afternoon. 15 to 17 degrees are high. That rain continuing to track eastwards by the afternoon and evening, and the peak of the winds likely to be on Saturday morning. Wind gusts could get close to 50 miles an hour at times, and it looks like it's pretty windy still on Sunday.